Hi everyone, so I'll be doing the speed test comparison between M31 and Galaxy S10. I know you guys might be thinking that this is unfair because the flagship phone and this is just a mid-ranger and the price difference is huge. But my intentions are not to compare the speed exactly. It's just something that do you actually need to pay 40,000 extra for this? Yes, because this is around 15,000 right now and this is 55,000 rupees phone. So I'll start with just cleaning the apps and then restart the phone. So I'll do this. I'll close every application. I'll restart the phone at the same time and we'll see how it is going to perform. Restart at the same time. Go. So you can see Galaxy S10 boot up first, and we all know that's going to happen, but still. It hasn't started yet. Here it is. So the boot, animation, it's still on the boot animation and it started. Let's see how much time M31 is going to take. So you can see it's on the way. Let me just open. So it's already started. Yeah. So this phone is in usable position. Let me just unlock this as well. So you see the time difference. I know it's a little more, but how often do we restart? But for some people, I still did the test. So let me show you. We have nothing in the background. Sorry, this phone is a little slippery on this. So I have prepared some application which I use on daily basis. So I'll start with the basic application first. So 1, 2, 3. See the speed difference. Now calculator. Let me just keep something so that we can see how the RAM management works. Now calendar, 1, 2, 3. It's not very different. I know it's still winning. Now camera, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Now Google Chrome. Yeah, it took some time there. Some notification. Let me just clean it. Now Amazon Shopping. See, it already loaded. Yeah, it just took some time. Now the speed test. I'll do it on the same time. See, because I think I'm on the same network. So this is on 2.4G. Let me just connect it to 5 gigahertz as well, so that you can see they're on the same network. Yes, they're connected. This phone is really slippery. 1, 2, 3 to the speed test, so that see each phone can give how much speed. I'll try this now. The speed is quite similar. Okay, let's move on to Galaxy Store. I haven't opened this app in a really long time. So yeah, this phone first, but the text came first. Now Gmail. Just a little different. Now Instagram. The speed difference is not very huge. Google Lens. It's already open. Now this just took some seconds. Google Maps. Netflix. Quite faster on this, but not a huge difference. Play Store. Let me also download something. What can we do? Subway Surfer. So I'll start on same 1, 2, 3. Let's see who will download it faster. That's strange, this is the first time Galaxy M31 wins. Okay, let's open them together. Some notification, we'll just ignore it. Still, this one is faster even after the problem. Let's just keep it ahead. I'll start with Prime Video. Much faster on this, still loading there. Samsung members app. Yeah, people who use Samsung members app. Quite similar. Swiggy, because I order food a lot. Faster on this. Twitter. Some seconds different. Uber. I use Uber a lot. Much faster on that. Still opening here. Still opening. Now it's open. YouTube. YouTube Studio. If you want to see my numbers, the new channel, nothing much is going there. And Zomato. So let's open the app one by one. I'll start from the beginning. Alarm, Reloaded, Calculator, a little reload, but yeah, it still works fine. It was on the same place. Calendar, much faster on Galaxy S10. Camera, it was open, but took some time for the animation to come. Google Chrome, same time. So it's in there, it's reloaded. We just give it some time to reload. It has 6 GB RAM, but still I think the memory performance is not great, or it is having some problem with internet. Let me just close it. Fast, both restarted. Galaxy Store, both are in RAM. Gmail, reloaded. Apparently I'm not very good at speed test. In the RAM, Google Lens in the RAM, just taking some time to load. Google Maps in the RAM, Netflix in the RAM, Play Store in the RAM, Subway Surfer in the RAM, Prime Video, a little reload but still in the RAM. Galaxy Members app in the RAM, Swiggy in the RAM, Twitter in the RAM, Uber reloaded. Yeah, it's taking a lot of time. YouTube in the RAM. I think it's selectively removing the app from background. Studio in the RAM. And Zomato reloaded. So guys, you have seen the speed and the memory comparison. Let me know your thoughts. This device is almost 40,000 rupees extra, so do you think is it worth it to spend for just a little bit of different? Please let me know in the comment box. Have a great day, guys. My name is Rohit, and please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. Bye bye.